Hey guys, welcome to Chasing Dream for You. So this is the first video that I'll be uploading on the channel. So I thought of coming up with things beginners need to know. So this is a part 1 video of that. So in this we'll be discussing about things that beginners have to know relating to prelims. Okay, so in prelims we have two papers, GS1 and GS2. So in GS1 the paper contains 100 questions of 200 marks. So one question carries 2 marks. And the time duration for this paper is 2 hours. So the second paper is GS2, which is also known as CSAT. So this paper contains 80 questions of 2.5 marks. So the duration for this is also 2 hours. So now we'll be discussing about the syllabus. The syllabus of GS1 is current events of national and international importance, history of India and Indian national movement, Indian and world geography. Under this we'll be covering physical, social, economical geography of India and the world. And then comes Indian polity and governance. Under this, constitution, political system, panchayati raj and public policy. You have to be concentrating on these topics. Then we have economic and social development. Under this we'll be focusing on sustainable development, poverty and inclusion. Then comes general issues on environment, ecology, biodiversity and climate change. And the last topic in GS1 is general science. So relating to this you will get 100 questions of 2 mark each. And one more thing what you have to remember is this is a paper in which you have negative marking. Okay, so here you will have cutoff, so make sure that you do not attempt more number of wrong questions. Okay, then we'll be discussing about the GS paper 2. Under GS paper 2 we have comprehension, interpersonal skills including communication skills, logical reasoning and analytical ability, discussion making and problem solving, general mentality ability, basic numeracy, English language comprehension skills of class 10 level. Okay, and one more thing that you have to remember here is it is just a qualifying paper where you have to be scoring just 33%, which comes to about 66 marks. Okay, so if you obtain 66 mark in this paper you will clear it, whereas GS1 you have cutoff, you have to cross the cutoff level to clear the paper. Okay, so we'll discuss in next video detailedly about mains, what the number of papers that we have in mains, the number of marks they carry. So we'll be detailedly discussing about mains in next video. Thank you for watching. It's me, Harini, signing off.